Did you know that there are some common watering mistakes that most people make? These mistakes can be deadly for your beloved houseplants. So it is important to know what they are and how to avoid them. Stick with us till the end of this video to learn the top 5 deadly houseplant watering mistakes you must avoid. If you want to keep your indoor plants happy and healthy, this is what you need to know. Mistake number 1, overwatering or watering too much. The first deadly mistake is overwatering. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. While plants need water to survive, overwatering can lead to root rot, which can be fatal for your plants. Signs of overwatering include yellowing or droopy leaves, mushy stems, and a foul odor. This is a croton plant whose leaves are drooping due to too much watering. You should water only if the top 1-inch soil gets dry. Always check the soil first, insert your finger in the soil and check before you water. Water until it begins to drain from the bottom holes. Keeping the water in the saucer below the pot may rot the roots and even kill the plant because the plant will be standing always in the water. So always empty the saucer after watering. Mistake number 2, underwatering. The second deadly mistake is underwatering. Just like overwatering, underwatering can be deadly for your houseplants. When you don't water your plants enough, they will become dehydrated and wilt. The leaves may also turn brown, crispy and dry. It is better to put a layer of mulch on the soil, which will preserve the moisture inside the soil. This is a rubber plant whose most of the leaves have fallen because of insufficient water. The water did not reach to the bottom roots because of less water or overcrowded roots. Look, this aloe vera plant is completely dry, so it stopped growing. Mistake number 3, inconsistent watering. The third deadly mistake is inconsistent watering. Plants prefer a consistent watering schedule, and when they don't get it, they may suffer. Inconsistent watering can lead to stress on the plant, which can make it more susceptible to disease and pests. An easy tip to remember when they need a good drink is to set a reminder on your mobile phone. Mistake number 4, watering the leaves. The fourth deadly mistake is watering the leaves. While it's important to water the soil. Mistake number 5, using the wrong water. The fifth deadly mistake is using the wrong type of water. Tap water contains chlorine and other chemicals that can harm your plants over time. Instead, use filtered water or collect rainwater to water your plants. Rainwater is the best for plants. Collect rainwater when it is raining. Also, water temperature should be at room temperature, not too cold or too hot. There are some plants, such as peace lily, lucky bamboo and snake plants that you can grow in water. Remember to change their water periodically. That is it for our video on the top 5 deadly houseplant watering mistakes you must avoid. By avoiding these mistakes, you can help your houseplants thrive and live a long and healthy life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. See you next time.